Hello students, good morning to all. Today's class we are going to discuss about the chromosomal disorders. Those are syndromes. So in earlier class we discussed what are chromosomal disorders or syndromes and what are the reasons for syndromes, right? So there is three different types of the syndromes. Today we are going to discuss about. So those are chromosomal disorders or syndromes, also divided into two different types, that is autosomal and allosomal. So autosomal syndrome example is Down's syndrome and allosomal example is Klinefelter syndrome and Turner's syndrome, right? So let us start. Down's syndrome. The cause of this genetic disorder is the presence of an individual copy of chromosome number 21st, that is trisomy of 21st chromosome. So the what is the reason for the Down's syndrome? The reason for this Down's syndrome is an additional copy, an adding of extra chromosome to which chromosome? An adding of extra chromosome to 21st chromosome, right? That is called a trisomy, right? 2n plus 1. So that is the reason for Down's syndrome. And this disorder was first described by Langdon Down. So this Down's syndrome first described by Langdon Down in 1866. So that only this disorder is called Down's syndrome. The affected individual is short, statured with a small round head, furrowed tongue, and partially open mouth. So, the affected individual, what are the symptoms of affected individual? The affected individual is short statured with a small round head. Short statured means very short and with small round head and furrowed tongue. So, the tongue is bifurcated, furrowed tongue and partially open mouth. So those are the different types of the symptoms or exhibits by Down syndrome persons. Palm is broad with the characteristic palm crease. So palm is broad with the characteristic of palm crease. Palm crease means very short palm is presented. So such type of the syndrome is Down's syndrome, and these people are physical and psychomotor and mental development is retarded. So physically and psychomotor, so mentally unbalance and mental development is retarded. Such type of the symptoms or exhibits by Down's syndrome. Here in the diagram given, so the person with the Down's syndrome, there is flat back of head and many loops on the fingertips and palm crease. There is short palm is presented and broad flat face and big and wrinkled tongue is presented, and the persons are suffering with congenital heart disease. Congenital heart disease is nothing but the persons by birth there is heart disease is presented, that is called as congenital heart disease. Okay, so these are regarding about Down's syndrome. Once again I am repeating, the Down's syndrome is what type of the syndrome? Autosomal or allosomal? Autosomal. So what is the reason for the Down's syndrome? The reason for Down's syndrome, for the chromosome number 21st chromosome, the extra chromosome is added, that is trisomy of 21st, means 2n plus 1. Trisomy, earlier we discussed, trisomy means 2n plus 1. Okay, this disorder was first described by whom? Langdon Down in when? 1866. Okay, next, the affected individual is short statured. So what are the symptoms? The affected individual with he is short statured with a small round head and furrowed tongue and partially open mouth. So that's such type of the same symptoms. And palm is broad with the characteristic palm crease, and physical and psychomotor and mental development is retarded, right? So those people are mentally retarded persons. That is called Down syndrome. After this clear, right? Next one, Klinefelter syndrome and Turner syndrome. So Klinefelter syndrome and Turner syndrome, these two are examples for allosomal syndromes. These two are allosomal syndromes. So the first one, Klinefelter syndrome. The genetic disorder is also caused due to the presence of an additional copy of X chromosome, resulting into a karyotype of 47XXY. So here what happens? This is trisomy. The type of Klinefelter syndrome is trisomy, means the additional chromosome is adding to what? It is allosomal. to X chromosome. The genetic disorder is also caused due to the presence of an additional copy of X chromosome, resulting in a karyotype of 47. So how many chromosomes are presented in human body? 46 chromosomes are presented in human body, right? So 23 pairs presented in human body. Extra X chromosome is added. Then 46 plus 1. How many? 47. XY is normal, and XY, for XY, extra X chromosome is added. So what is the genotype? XXY. So this is completely different, abnormal, right? Instead of 46, 47 chromosomes are presented in Klinefelter syndrome persons. Such an individual has overall masculine development. However, the feminine development of breast, and that is called gynecomastia, is also expressed. Such individuals are sterile. So here what happens? XY is the male. For male, which character is added? X character is added. X chromosome is added. So X chromosome indicates which character? Female, right? So in male only, but the female characters are develops. Such type of the syndrome is called Klinefelter syndrome. Here, such an individual has overall masculine development. Muscle development is there, but however, feminine development means characteristic of females. Development of the breast. In the males only development of the breast takes place. That is called gynecomastia. What is gynecomastia? Development of the breast in case of Klinefelter syndrome in the males. That is called gynecomastia is also expressed. Such individuals are steriles. Those people are unable to produce children. Understood or not? Right? So once again I am repeating, Klinefelter syndrome. This genetic disorder is what type of syndrome? This is allosomal. This genetic disorder is also caused due to the presence of an additional copy of X chromosome, resulting into a karyotype of 47, that is XXY. Extra X chromosome is added. Extra X chromosome is added means what? Normal is XY. For XY, extra X chromosome is added. 46 plus 1. So trisomy 47 is takes place. Okay. So that is abnormal. And what are the symptoms? Such an individual has overall masculine development, muscle development is there. However, feminine development, feminine means the characters of females, development of the breast, that is called gynecomastia, is also expressed. Such individuals are steriles, unable to produce children. So that only these are non-hereditary disorders also, syndromes. Okay, right. Next one, Turner's syndrome. Turner's syndrome, this is also allosomal syndrome. Such a disorder is caused due to the absence of one of the X chromosome. So how many X chromosomes are presented in the female? Generally double X, 2X are presented. In case of 2X, only 1X is presented, means absence of one chromosome, loss of one chromosome. So that only Turner syndrome causes. Turner's syndrome, such a disorder is caused due to the absence of one of the X chromosome. So one of the X chromosome means what? 46 minus 1, that is monosomy. So 45 chromosome only. One of the X chromosome is not presented means what is the genotype? XO or X0. Okay, such a disorder is caused due to the absence of one of the X chromosome, that is 45 with XO. Such females are sterile. These females only, but these are sterile, and as ovaries are rudimentary, not well developed. Ovaries are not well developed. Besides the feature, including lack of other secondary sexual characters. So other secondary sexual characters are very less developed, because ovaries are less developed means there is no production of proper female sex hormones. Then obviously there is female secondary sexual characters are very less developed. Such type of the characteristics are called Turner's syndrome. You got it or not? Right? Klinefelter syndrome is male, the female characters are developed. Turner syndrome, female only, but male characters are developed. So Turner syndrome, such a disorder is caused. What is the reason for the disorder? It's allosomal disorder. What is the reason? The reason is monosomy. So absence of one of the X chromosome. 46 minus 1, 45 only presented. What is the genotype? XO is the genotype. Such females are sterile females, unable to produce the children, and as ovaries are rudimentary ovaries are not well developed, and beside other features including lack of secondary sexual characters. Whenever ovaries are not developed, then secondary sexual characters also not developed. See in the diagram given A and B. A indicates what that is male only the development for breast takes place, gynecomastia, so that is Klinefelter syndrome. And next B diagram, Klinefelter that is Turner syndrome, so female only, but there is less development of the breast, and rudimentary ovaries are developed. These are regarding about syndromes or chromosomal disorders. So copy the points from NCERT textbook only, so clearly explained in the NCERT textbook. So compulsory one question is guaranteed in PU examination, either Turner syndrome or Klinefelter syndrome and Down syndrome. Very most important. Go through that all the points in NCERT textbook also. Okay. Hope all of you understood up to this, and you should prepare for cumulative examination. Next, it should be maybe there is a theory examination should be there for 70 marks. So be prepared for theory examination from up to this chapter, right? Thank you very much. Bye bye.